I have a few questions regarding this website. As we talked through Skype, everything looks fine. But a question is, since we have these feature communities here, which is sent by client, what these communities are here? I'm not sure why they are here. Are we going to keep them or what we should do there? And also, if those was the client's communities, just keep them as they are. But let me see if they are searchable. Okay, they are. But question is, when we open this part, can this be in white? So these should be in white so it can be visible. And also the communities buttons, it's not going to communities, which needs to be activated. I hope every other one. About should go to the about blog. Okay, blogs. So please check the menu as well. The rest look nice. I believe that should be it. Thanks.